Everyone, welcome to the Concept Cafe where not coffee, but logic is brewed and served as hot and fresh as coffee. In today's video, we'll be looking at the concept of middle term factorization in a very small time period. Now, middle term factorization essentially is a very easy concept, but sometimes we feel that it becomes very complicating and very tough. What is the main reason of that? I will also tell you that. But for now, let us focus on how to perform middle term factorization. Middle term factorization. Now, if we have to understand middle term factorization just in 5 to 6 minutes, first we have to know that middle term factorization finds its origin from something called the quadratic equation. Now, what is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation, okay, heavy terms, but it has a meaning. Quadratic equation always exists in a particular format. What is the format? The format is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is what we call a quadratic equation format, and this is what we are going to look at. Now, whenever we have any algebraic expression that is in this format, for example, let's take x square plus 10x plus 24. As we can see, there a is 1, x square we have it, b is 10, we have an x, and we have a c which is 24. Now, how do you factorize it? First step is find AC. There is a very important step-by-step method how to go about this and how to deal with this particularly. So first step is we will have to find AC. AC means A into C. We know what is the A? 1. Okay. What is the C? This one, 24. So 24 into 1, obviously 24. Second step is factorize AC. Now AC is 24. Let's factorize it. Okay, by side 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Now third step will basically be to write down the stuff that we have recorded from here. So third step is to write the factors of AC. So 24 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we are going to split the middle term. This is the most important step. This step is the most important step. Split the middle term, and here where is the magic lies. What is the middle term here? What is the middle term basically in this format? Ax square plus bx plus ac. Always bx is the middle term. So in this case 10x is the middle term, and 10x must be split in a way that so that we add the two variables in which we will split it, and still we will get the x square. So x square plus 10x plus 24, and 10x has to be split. Now, but there is one catch. 10x has to be split in a way so that the two variables or the two things 10x has been split into will multiply to give 24. How can we do that? Look at this. We have done the factorization, right? Now try different permutations and combinations and see. For example, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, and left is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 minus 3 is 5. No, it will not make. It's not 24. Okay, let's then try a different format. Maybe leave about only this 2, and otherwise 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. So 12 minus 10x. Now 12 minus 10 can 12 minus 2. Now 12 minus 2 can be done, but it will not be. Why? Because if you multiply 12 into minus 2, you are getting minus 24. But we need a positive 24. So let's try one more thing for the last time. Let's have the 2 into 2 and a 2 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 3 is 6. Now if you add these two, then we will definitely get 10x. Alright. So do that. And since 4 into 6 is also 24. See, 12 minus 2 we could have done. But see, 12 into minus 2 is going to be 24, which is not the minus 24, right? And we have a plus 24. So what we are going to do is 10x, we are going to split it as this. Okay. Now it's very easy. You just take the common from the first two terms. You're most likely going to be left with two terms at this point. You take the common for the first two terms. Okay. Now here the common is what? X for the first two terms. So I will take the x as a common, and within the bracket I will write x into x and plus 6. Okay, this is done, this is done. Now plus, here see 4 can be taken as common. Here is a 4 and here is also, see 24 is also divisible by 4, right? So 4 I will take as common, x plus 6. Now as you can see, x plus 6 I can take as common, and we will have x plus 4. So this is essentially the entire concept. So after you split the middle term, what is the fourth essential step? The very essential fourth step is very easy. Just regroup and factorize, which is the last step. Okay, here see, what did we just do? We just regrouped the stuff, and here we have factorized it. Now if you multiply this part again, okay, x into x, x square, plus 6 into x, 6x, plus, now let's take 6 into x, as I told you, done, x into x, 6 into x. Now x into 4, 4x, plus here we have again 6 into 4, 24. So we are getting x square plus 10x plus 24, which means we are back to where the question entirely started from. So this is how you do middle term factorization. This was a very important and very easy example. This is how you have to do it. And the main fact here is the splitting of middle term. If you get this step right, then all the other steps will automatically come together, and no one can stop you from successfully doing the middle term factorization. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed your middle term cappuccino, and that's it for today. I'll be again coming with a video which will obviously, it will help you a lot. I hope this video helped you a lot, and if you have any doubts left, any questions, then you can obviously drop it in my comment section. I reply quite fast if there are any problems. Okay, thank you.